overwhelming talent of the United States. It's like
Excellence
cinema
of Japan.
actually.
Mother of all battles.
Just to
And
remember.
the dream match. Namaste guys, welcome back to Dil Se Reactions, where we react to amazing sporting videos. So we are, after deciding like we will react to some new videos, we thought maybe there is something more left in baseball, and that's why we are back with another amazing, exciting baseball video. So Sahil, which video are we going to
Today
react
we
to?
are going to react to Shohei Ohtani versus Mike Trout final at bat in the USA versus Japan 2023 WC Championship. So it is greatest versus greatest in the finals. So it is going to be an exciting video. So stay tuned with us. But before that, subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends.
Exactly. So without any further ado, let's just start the reaction.
Impossible theater.
Theater.
The regal
It's like
excellence
cinema
of Japan.
actually when two greatest players of the game played together or against together. It is like a spectacle to watch.
Exactly. That's why even in like cricket, India versus Pakistan was considered as mother of all battles because they both had like strength to strength, nail to nail biting matches. So yeah, I mean it's like kind of like that when two great powers collide. You are going to see or you're gonna witness theater or something like an excellence.
The overwhelming talent of the United States.
Overwhelming talent of the United States. The one who is considered as the best hitter of the United States
There's a long drive way back to left. Mike Trout in Miami.
versus the best hitter of Japan,
For those guys.
versus the best pitcher of Japan
Exactly.
To put Garcia away.
Yes, he did.
and maybe considered as the best baseball player to ever exist.
One-run game
Exactly.
with two gone in the ninth inning. The dream
Two
matchup.
gone in the ninth inning.
Ohtani, Trout.
And moreover,
The dream
look at
match.
here, this specific thing, Sahil. He said the dream match.
The people who are witnessing it on the is in the stadium and seeing it live, it must be a treat to them, and they might be telling the stories of the match to their friends and their families also.
True.
And in a one-run game with two gone in the ninth inning, the dream matchup.
The dream matchup.
Ohtani, Trout.
It's a strike.
One ball, no strikes.
No strikes. Okay.
Both are going back to the same
So
team.
it has to finish under
One's
in the
coming
box
back with a
to be a
trophy.
strike.
True. Moreover, I think like when you are pitching a ball and this kind of a scenario, maybe sometimes you even miss that box, right?
Yes.
It is kind of like that sort of a thing in your head. Moreover, even the batter is Mike Trout.
Mike
So
Trout.
they might have like
Both
Ohtani
the
might have
players,
something.
both the players might be having their nerves. So what to ball and might be expecting similar sort of. Because I think they have played in the same team as
Yeah,
well in
yeah.
MLB, so they might know each other as well, their strengths and weaknesses as well.
Exactly. And why we are actually reacting to this video is because we got to know that Mike Trout, like in previous videos, in previous reactions, we saw Mike Trout is one of fan favorites. So we went ahead and we did a little research and we found out like apart from Ohtani, Mike Trout is also a very big player. And there is something historic that is available on the internet. So we thought, why should we not react to this video? So we are bringing this to you. At least you can do is subscribe to our channel and like this video. Yeah,
Please.
please. Let's go. Let's go.
As Benji Gill said last night,
You are on which side?
Baseball's
Ohtani's side or
already
Mike
won.
Trout's side?
I am on Otani's side because he can bat, he can pitch the ball also. So he's
Or is it your Asian connection with him?
maybe that can be the case, but I probably might even buy a Otani shirt. I'm planning to do that
Mm.
because I'm pretty much influenced by the way he plays and the way his name is being pronounced in a game that is being invented by
US?
the US. Yes, that is being and moreover, it is the same scenario in cricket also. England actually invented cricket, the Great Britain, and then it was like every Asian country that was playing it. India is the best team to play it
And
at
right
the
now,
moment.
and previously also West Indies used to dominate the
Hmm.
cricket. Then Australia used to dominate the cricket. Currently, India is dominating the cricket, but the people who invented the game never dominated the game.
Exactly. So that is that flavor that I like about.
The 1-0 pitch. Swing
Oh,
and a
right.
miss.
This is a strike, I guess.
fastball
And
at
that's 100
miles per hour.
So he's not just like a
Yeah.
a person who can just do the job. He really knows how to do
So
it.
the player who does both the things in cricket, who can bat as well and bowl as well, is called all-rounder.
All-rounder.
What does the player who can do both the things in baseball is called? Please let us know in the comments as well.
Exactly, and moreover in cricket, it's Hardik Pandya, by the way, the world
Yeah,
famous
all-rounder.
all-rounder. But yeah,
100. A nod from Trout. A 1-1
not
count.
from down, 1-1 count.
1-1 count. So it is down the wire, I think. All the teammates are on their toes. Anticipation. Before the each ball is crazy.
Even you see people in the stands also, they are also like very fixated, and they have their cameras out
Even
as
we
well.
are seeing the highlight, but we can feel that anticipation, that excitement that people can feel in the ground.
Yeah. Another foul ball.
Ball
I
2,
think-
just outside.
Ball to its outside. It's not a strike, I guess.
Yeah, because it's a foul ball, it won't be counted as a ball.
It's swung also.
Cut his
Outswing,
fastball just off
basically
the
we call
plate
in
at 100.
And Trout hardly budged. These are two of the greatest baseball players to ever live.
Two of
Greatest-
the greatest baseball players to ever live.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
So it is like Sachin Tendulkar and Sir Don Bradman playing together.
Yeah, absolutely.
Stars aligning for the dream matchup for the ages here.
For
Stars
the ages to
aligning.
remember.
So is it like because I don't know if two countries that I know who play baseball is USA and Japan, who are actually on the top, and if this is the scenario in world baseball, then how can it be a rare scenario? Because as he's saying that stars aligned and all.
Consider this. I'll explain you according to the cricket thing. Imagine Virat Kohli playing in World Cup final. He is on strike, and the bowler is Mitchell Stark, and it is final over. Virat Kohli needs 20 runs to win, or something 12, 13 runs to win, and Mitchell Stark is bowling. What will be the atmosphere? What will you expect from that match? It is not common to happen that Virat Kohli is on the strike in the
Yeah.
final
In the
over
final
of
over,
the
yeah.
match, and
Okay.
Mitchell Stark is on the opposition side, and the match is down to the wire, and two of the greatest players that are currently playing
yeah.
are on the field and are against each other.
Yeah, I mean, if I look at look at this and this way, then yeah, I
It
mean,
will be an
it is a very
epic
big thing. Then
thing.
well,
in the ninth.
you just opened my eyes.
2-1. 2
Oh,
and 2.
2-2. Otani is showing his skills,
Otani boy,
and it shows like I think Otani is younger player than Mike Trout.
Now what?
So I think it is like
I mean,
upcoming generation versus the generation that
past
has,
generation
the past
or the
generation, or the
generation-
seniors,
seniors.
the players who are considered seniors in the game.
it'd be hard pressed for me to not throw another fastball right there. And I know
Come on,
it's
Mike Trout, can you do
but
it? Come on.
That fastball's getting on him.
That
Yeah.
fastballs are getting on him.
I think Otani has got it.
Otani's 2-2 pitch.
Come on, Mike.
The count goes full.
We can say both the players are nervous. He is also throwing
But it's
wayward
only
ball.
one shot
strike.
and one
Mikey
strike also.
at bat.
Can you hear
pressure-
the crowd?
And moreover, Sahil, I think the pressure is always on the pitcher because it's only one strike that is required, and there are three strikes that needed from the bowler to the pitcher, but to get a player out. So it's just one good strike and one good ball in the stand, so you get a home run and you can win them.
So the players like Mike Trout have done this thing, I guess, in previous matches as well. That's why they are considered as the
GOAT.
greatest players
Yeah.
of the game. As we can see, Virat Kohli always finishes the game. He comes not out and finishes the game for the team, which is the most crucial and important part of the match. So I think that's why he is the greatest, because he has done these things in past, and I think as an experienced player, he should hold his nerves during this moment. But both the players, seeing the atmosphere, both the players, I think they are losing their nerves. They are pretty nervous right now at this moment. You are listening to the crowd, Ashish.
USA,
Ohtani's
USA.
ready.
I think it's
Trout's
happening
ready.
in USA only.
3-2. He struck him out.
It's a strike.
But it was an out ball, no?
3-2.
It was on the line,
On
I
the
think.
line. Do you
On the line.
consider like it's a ball if it is on the line?
I don't know. Please help us know
Please help
that
us know.
if the ball is on the line, it is considered as a strike or not, because we can see the hollow ball. Because both the strikes which went was
Yeah.
not hollow.
What
It
was
was a
hollow?
full dot, white color dot.
Hmm.
It's a hollow circle, so I don't know what happened here. But please let us know in the comments it is a strike or not.
Yeah.
He struck him out.
But
He struck him out.
He struck-
Ohtani strikes out Trout, and Japan's back on top of the baseball world.
so it is very exciting. You can see the celebrations.
Even came on the pitch. You can also see the disappointment on Mike Trout's face.
And it is more important because it was a final. And that's how players become the great players. The players become GOAT when you perform in such a pressure situation
Exactly.
and in front of such a legendary player.
But what a talent. If you are considered
He
as
broke out his
a
best slider.
all-rounder
There
in
must be
baseball,
wild celebrations after the match.
Wow.
Japan's jersey kind of look like New York Yankees jersey.
Basically, I have heard that white and grey pants is the only difference between the home and away team.
But over here, Japan is wearing this color, which is, I don't know whether it is taken just from the flag.
Maybe
And I can see
international has
USA
some different.
And I
Samurai
can see USA wearing the
Japan,
blue
which
color.
won the first two World Baseball
Went right.
Classics
See,
in 06 and 09.
that was the swing from the ball.
It was
Lost
a
in the
swan-
semis the
It was
last two.
outswinger in
They've
cricket
spent
language.
6 years preparing for this.
6 years
And
preparing
this
for this.
incredible moment to finish it off as Shohei Ohtani
Oh, by the
strikes
way, Otani's number is 16 and Virat Kohli's number is 18.
80.
out Mike Trout, and Japan beats the United States 3-2 in the championship game. A classic in every sense.
Classic in
my.
every sense.
What are your thoughts after seeing such an exciting and thrilling finale?
Well, I think like the way this match was aligned, like in the end, got the two best of the bests. That is a very big thing to happen, and moreover, from where I see this match, if you are a person who is pitching the ball, you have to pitch 3 perfect deliveries. Whereas on the other hand, the batter just have to hit 1 good strike. So I think the way this match ended, but in Otani's favor, I was completely like in awe of this whole thing that happened. So for me, it was Ohtani who did a very great job. over
It
there.
was he did in fact a great job. He was playing against the greatest player. In fact, he is also the greatest baseball player to ever exist according to the people. So I think it is true. So I think it was a great matchup and a great finale to watch. And I had the crowd, the way the crowd was chanting and was appreciating the players. It was that atmosphere in it itself was epic.
I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Yeah, and I don't know, but if there are like other players also who have been in this kind of situation, because see, I can see like there are like players like Virat Kohli in cricket who have been in these kind of scenarios, and then that's why they are being called GOAT. How
Exactly.
many other things are there in baseball? Like this is the only matchup we got to know because we did a little research, and then we found this. But is there any other thing like? Like how we see Virat Kohli's heroics
Of
against
course.
Pakistan.
Against Pakistan in MCG, we
Yeah.
see it is also known as Hobart Heroics when Virat Kohli was young when he smashed 100 against Sri Lanka in
Not that young.
Australia.
Yeah, No. I'm talking about that one where in the T20 match.
T21 MCG Diwali Heroics was again another thing. So he has done multiple
And he has
matches.
been in multiple situations. So do let us know in the comments if like there are different scenarios that have happened in baseball, so that we can also look at them and judge in our own way and react to it.
Of course.
And see how baseball is like we know that baseball is very competitive, but how many these sort of moments baseball have. So with that, I think this was another amazing video, and I hope that you guys might have liked it. And if you have liked this video, then please show that by liking it and by subscribing to our channel and sharing it with your friends. Once again, we'll meet you next Monday with another exciting reaction video.
Reaction video.
So for now, bye bye.
Bye.